Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Gcam in Redmi 14C device. So for this guys, first of all, go to Google Chrome and here search for Gcam APK download. So this website appears. After that guys, just click on this website and then scroll. After that, click download now. And guys, again scroll, Google Camera port 9.4 appears. So just tap here. Now scroll so that we have an option of devices here. Right now we are using Xiaomi device, so we can click on download for Xiaomi, but you guys can also use other devices links from here if you are using Samsung, OnePlus, Realme and any other device. So after that guys, we have these versions. All you guys have to do, just go to the last one, 8.8.224.10 and then click download here. So as you see, it is now start downloading. Go to details and it is now downloading. Okay guys, after downloading, just tap on this link and then it is starting app. So just go to setting for the permission guys and then allow from this source. Now don't worry guys, just click on I am aware and then click to OK. After that guys, just click to install and that's all. As you see, the app installed now. Now click to done and go back. Okay, after that guys, as you guys see that Gcam is now installed in my device. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.